Welcome back to our channel. This is just a quick video update of the birds that we are sending to the Big Andy's International One-Loft Race. If you are flying your birds there this coming spring, these are the birds that your birds will be flying with and against also. Anyways, we just want to wish you guys all the best of luck. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see our videos as we pop them out every now and then. And we just want to thank you guys for tuning into our channel and keeping the pigeon sport and hobby alive for all the good and fun flyers out there. You guys take care. These individuals will be flying at the Big Andy's One-Loft Race. There we are. This is the day for sending our birds to the Big Andy's One-Loft Race. $2060. Okay. $2061. Got that? 2061. 2053. Alright, this is number 2050. He's a fantail, look at that. He's got one of his tail broken. Alright. This is the bigger one. $2050. This one's a small one. $2051. This one's a small one. I like these smaller ones sometimes. Because when they mature, they look nice. Okay. 2052. $2052. Okay, going to the Big Andy's One-Loft Race. All right, here they are. Good luck, birdies. Okay. Second box. There we go. Good luck, birdies. Big Andy's One-Loft Race. This is an aviary that we just got done building for our doves. We're just putting all these other birds in here right now just to test the dove section out, just to test the aviary out. We were supposed to build a hexagon aviary, but we decided to go with this route to give the doves a little bit more room to fly around. The doves are so happy in here. Look at him. Look at him. This aviary isn't finished yet. We still have some painting and some other things to do, but as of now, this is what we'll settle for. Just to make sure that the doves can be moved out of their small cages and into a bigger room where they can fly more freely. Anyways, that's all for now, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much.